बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मधुर भंडारकर जी। और अब मैं अनुरोध करती हूँ गैर फीचर फिल्म निर्णायक मंडल के अध्यक्ष श्री राजू मिश्रा जी से कि अपने विचार रखें।
नमस्कार। Mahamahim, Honorable President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, Honorable Minister I&B, Venkaiah Naidu ji, Honorable Minister State, Mr. Rajyavardhan Rathore ji, my colleague Mr. Priyadarsan ji, Madhur Bhandarkar ji, Director Festival, Secretary, all the dignitaries on the stage, all the dignitaries who are present in front of me, my fellow jury members, lot of pain you have taken. To be honest, it was an uphill task to choose films out of more than 260 films. But it was a great pleasure as well as pain to do so. Pleasure because we got to see best of short films, featurettes, documentaries. Pain because we had to ignore some of them because ultimately few of them will be rewarded and awarded. From filmmakers all over the country, the quality of work was very high. That is precisely the reason we are pained, because many good films had to be overlooked in favor of even better films. Many of which are of high artistic value could not make it to the final. We are sorry, but it was very painful. Some films lost the battle in the last round, which you are close to the best, honestly. This year we had very good films. But sadly so, I thank my jury colleagues who took a lot of pain to view these films with a lot of involvement. Out of 263 films, they shortlisted some films, about 70 of them. We saw them again. Audiovisual medium is so powerful, so great. It enters through our ears and eyes and it goes to don't know where from brain, touches the heart. That is what some of the films did. They came from heart, entered our heart. That's why we are bound to felicitate them, honor them, reward them. I have no doubts in my mind that the films we have chosen to be awarded will also touch your hearts if you watch them. As Mr. said that we'll have a screening very soon. To our level best, we tried our best. And on behalf of all my jury members, I wish all the artists and technicians who are to be felicitated all the best in their life. My regards to them, to their art and their craft. I have my regards to them. Thank you very much.